Why do giant cell tumors of bone appear in the epiphysis? Imagine the end of a long bone, right near the joint, where the bone is actively changing and growing even after we're fully grown. That's the epiphysis, a special part of the bone that plays a key role in joint movement and stability. Now, giant cell tumors of bone, or GCTs, are unusual because they almost always develop in this specific area, not in the middle or the shaft of the bone. So, why is that? To understand this, let's look at how bones grow and what makes the epiphysis unique. Bones grow in length at the growth plate, which is a layer of cartilage that gradually hardens into bone. Once growth stops, this growth plate closes, but the epiphysis remains a site of ongoing activity. It's a region where bone remodeling happens constantly, especially after skeletal maturity. This active remodeling creates a cellular environment that might be more welcoming for certain tumor cells, including those that from GCTs. Giant cell tumors are made up of large, multinucleated cells called giant cells, which are formed by the fusion of smaller cells. These tumors also contain stromal cells, which are thought to be the actual source of the tumor. Although the exact cause of GCTs isn't fully understood, scientists have found genetic changes in many cases, such as alterations in chromosome 20 and the p53 gene. These genetic factors might influence how the tumor grows and why it prefers the epiphysis. Several factors seem to contribute to why GCTs develop in the epiphysis. First, the epiphysis is a hub of active bone remodeling, especially after growth has stopped. This environment is rich in growth factors and cytokines that regulate bone turnover. These signaling molecules may support the survival and proliferation of the stromal cells that lead to GCT formation. Second, the epiphysis experiences significant mechanical stress from weight bearing and movement, which might influence tumor development, although stress alone doesn't cause GCTs. Lastly, the rarity of these tumors in other parts of the bone highlights the importance of the epiphysis's unique microenvironment in supporting tumor growth. Clinically, because GCTs are located so close to the joint, they often cause pain, swelling, and limited movement. If not treated, they can erode the bone and invade surrounding tissues. While they are generally benign, they can behave aggressively and, in rare cases, spread to the lungs. Their location near the joint makes treatment challenging because preserving joint function is a priority. In summary, giant cell tumors of bone tend to appear in the epiphysis because this area provides a special environment rich in growth factors, active remodeling, and mechanical stress that may promote tumor development. Their specific location is a key feature that helps doctors diagnose and plan treatment. Ongoing research continues to explore the biological reasons behind the site preference, aiming to improve understanding and management of these tumors. If you or someone you know has concerns about bone tumors, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice and care.